Welcome back to See Natural DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this face and body moisturizer. This cream is good for sensitive skin and also for any other skin type. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And for those of you that have been following this channel, thank you so much. I really do appreciate your love and care and support as well. So to get started, I'm using shea butter. Shea butter moisturizes the skin. It reduces skin inflammation. It also restores the elasticity of the skin. Shea butter also reduces stretch marks. So after melting my shea butter and I'm adding my oils to it, at this point I'm adding lemon oil. Lemon oil also helps to tone the skin. The next is JOJOBA oil, which I'm adding at this point. I'm adding half teaspoon each of this oil. The next is sandalwood oil. Then after adding sandalwood oil, the next I added is my vitamin E oil. Very good on the skin. It also serves as an antioxidant to this face and body moisturizer. So after adding all my oils together, the next I'm adding is aloe vera gel. I'm adding the tablespoon of aloe vera gel to this mixture. So at this point, I'm going to carefully mix it very well to make sure I combine both the oils and the shea butter and the aloe vera I just added, which I'm doing at this point. So you can use your spoon or any your spatula available to you to do this, to make sure you mix very well to combine everything together. So at this point, after combining both my oil and aloe vera, the next I'm adding is beetroot juice. Below this video, click on the link to watch how to make this beetroot juice extract on your own. And that's what I use at this point. Beetroot is very good on the skin as well. It provides natural glow to the skin. It also treats acne, dry skin, and pigmentation. So after adding it to my face and body moisturizer, I'm going to mix very well. Guys, at this point, this is what it looks like. Very good on the skin. After mixing it to this point, the next I did was to use in a clean container, in a clean bowl. Make sure you sanitize your container. Then you pour it in a clean bowl and cover. That's all. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share my videos. And if you have any question, don't forget to use the comment section below. And also remember to share my videos and like. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.